Let's have another example. For example, cart items equal list of tuples, present ID and product name, for example, laptop, quantity, for example, 3, and price, this one. Duplicate this line, ID, update IDs, smartphone, for example, headphone, and for example, keyboard, quantity 1, 4, and for example 1, 200. This random numbers. So print cart items. Run this example. Yes, list of tuples, list of 4 tuples. Okay, what about to just get the first one? First one means first record, this one. Yes. So using the unpacking, using loops for item in cart items, print item. Yes, this items. So actually need to break this line, means duplicate this character 50 times. Run again. Yes. What about to just the unpacking values of each tuple, of each record? So actually do something like for how many items, how many values for each tuple? 1, 2, 3, 4 items. Four values for each item. Item IDs is the first one. Product name, just update to product ID. Product ID, product name, and quantity, price. In cart items, print product is product ID, product name, and quantity. The last one is price. Product. Yes, this means unpacking each value of each for tuples to corresponding values to these variables. This means first iteration of loop means this ID will be assigned to product ID, and second variables will be assigned to product name. Third one, quantity, will be assigned to this one, and the last one, price, will be 400. So run again. Yes, product is this one. Actually do the same. Run again. Yes. What about to just remove this one and move it from this one. Run. Yes, errors, because this three variables, but tuples contains four values. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, but when unpacking, there is just 3 variables. So that's why there an error, value error, too many values to unpacking, expected 3. Yes, you can actually remove this one, and this one, this one, this one, and run again. Yes, it works. Or assign 4 variables, just like before. Price and type price. Run again. Yes, it works. So don't forget to subscribe. If there are any problems, just let me know. Happy coding. Thank you.